Hello friends, now in this video we will discuss about the third question of the exercise 9.1. The question is given in this way: a contractor want to plan 2 slides in a park of a society or in a colony in such a way that one slide is for the children below the 5 years age and the another one for the children above 5 years age. The condition is that the case 1, that means for the small kids, the height of the slide is 1.5 meter and it is inclined with the ground, that means it makes angle with the ground is 30 degree. On other hand, the another slide is 3 meter high and it makes 60 degree angle with the ground. Now you want to find out the length of these slides in both the cases. So let us start now. Here in this diagram you observe that AB is the height of the slide for the small kids, that is 1.5, and the angle of elevation, that is a 30 degree, or angle of inclination, that is 30 degree with the ground of the slide. You want to find out AC, that is the length of slide. So in triangle ABC, sine 30 degree. Why I am using here a sine? Because you are given opposite side and you want to find out hypotenuse. So the trigonometric ratio which is used, in which the one side is given and another that you want to find out, both are involved. So here opposite side is given and hypotenuse you want to find out. That's why I am using here a sine. So this is sine 30 is equal to AB by AC. 1 by 2 is equal to 1.5 meter by AC. It is cross multiplied, then AC is equal to 2 into 1.5, that is 3 meter. So the length of the slide, this length of the slide for the small kid is 3 meter. Now for the second case. In this second case, in this diagram, PQ is the height of the slide, that is 3 meter. PR is the length of the slide that you want to find out, and the angle of inclination is given here 60 degree. So here also the opposite side is given and you want to find out the hypotenuse, so we are again using the sine theta. So here sine 60 is equal to PQ upon PR, that is root 3 upon 2 is the value of sine 60, is equal to 3 meter divided by PR. So here cross multiplication gives you 3 into 2 upon root 3. So it is become 2 root 3 meter. 2 root 3 meter, and the root 3 is equal to 1.73 approximate value. So 2 multiplied 1.73, that you give approximately value of the length of the slide, that is 3.46 meter. 3.46 meter is the length of the slide for the kids, those who are above 5 years.